another stitch. For those that don't know me, my name is Connie, and if you're new to my channel, I'd like to welcome you. And this should be the last video that I'm filming today. I got in the rest of my Amazon order, and I will be unbagging it. I'm going to grab the scissors. And now I'm cutting. Okay, I'll stop being silly. Okay. First, I got my sock blockers in for knitting my socks. So, those are my sock blockers. And this is the fun part. Okay. This is the polymer clay that I ordered to make my hooks with. And I'm going to try to show y'all some of the colors if I can get in here. And it has some little tools that it came with. Some little things for jewelry making. But I'll show y'all some of the colors. Are these some pretty colors? And one thing I want to do, I'll probably use these two colors. I want to make a pink camo handle for one of my hooks. So that's probably the colors I'll use for that. And then Crystal from the Crazy Chicken and Cat Lady, she did one with pink, lilac, and green. I think it was green. And it was beautiful. So I'm probably going to try to do something with that too. Here's some more. This kit came with 32 different colors. So I am going to be having some fun. And all the pretty different color combinations. I'm going to have to think of what combinations I want to go with on all my hooks. I am thinking about doing probably a blue and yellow like this. That one would probably be pretty. And this is the last of the clay. So that's the goodies I got in today. And hopefully sometime soon the rest of my Joann's order will come. I don't know if it'll come tomorrow or not, but fingers crossed that it does. So I hope y'all enjoyed seeing all my goodies. And I hope everyone is having a fabulous Yarny day. Be the light. And if you haven't already done so, please subscribe to my channel. Please like this video. And please share my videos on your social media platforms. And bye!